Hello guys, welcome to Ustream channel. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the most important strategy in digital marketing, that is remarketing. Remarketing is very why important because you want to re-engage with your customers with different kinds of strategies in remarketing. I'll tell you what are those. If you see remarketing, I think maybe most of the people has experienced this issue. Maybe if they went to Amazon store and they want to purchase it, but they haven't purchased that product, but they have kept that product in their cart. Okay, and they went outside of the site and they are reading, and the person is reading some news in a website. Then this Amazon will show an ad which he has seen, or the similar product which he has seen in the Amazon, and the Amazon wants to buy, and Amazon wants to tell the user to buy that product. That is called remarketing. Today I am going to tell that topic. Remarketing means after they visited the site but they haven't purchased the product, then they want to re-engage with the customers. Okay, so then after, this is actually the main topic is remarketing. So this is what remarketing means. So the remarketing is of two different types. One is standard remarketing, and another one is dynamic remarketing. This standard remarketing is something like you went to the site, okay, based on the interest which you have seen on the Amazon store. Suppose, let's say you visited one product, and which I have told you earlier, but you haven't purchased it. So this Amazon is running a campaign. So that campaign shows, so whatever the product you have seen, that similar kind of products is showing that ads on the another page. So that is called standard remarketing. And example, something like I've told you, right? And also the main thing is how you want to re-engage with your customers in standard remarketing is like something showing the discount off to the user which they can buy their products. So this is also one type of marketing. So see, this is what I have given the simple definition of standard remarketing. Last visited site page, they are going to show you the product on some other page like ad. So they want to re-engage with the customers by showing the discount offer so that they can buy. That is called standard remarketing. Another one is dynamic remarketing, which is another level of remarketing. This is also very important. So I can tell you the example of dynamic remarketing. This is like uh, one person want to purchase a bike, and he visited a store but he didn't purchase it, but he came back, and then he saw the same bicycle which in the website, and he get converted. That is called dynamic remarketing. Here which I can tell you is, it's the next level of we can create dynamically generated ads as with the product data which is present on the website. So this is called dynamic remarketing. Think this is useful. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Happy remarketing.